Hello, my name's Lizzie from BYD Stoke and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on the Seal U 1.5 DMI 26.6 kWh Comfort. Now this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid, it is an automatic transmission, ULEZ compliant and is finished in Delan black. To start off with then, you have your LED headlights which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 19-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish really complementing against the Delan black exterior colour. You have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Along with keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Now this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid and it has a range of up to 55 miles. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase. Now this vehicle does support vehicle to load charging, so perhaps if you go camping and you've got something you need to keep charged, you are able to do so. And it also comes with a wall box charging cable. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black vegan leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away to carry that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system. Once again, you can find that lovely upholstery providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. You also have infinity speakers helping to enhance your listening experience on any journey that you may take. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your infotainment system, which is also rotational between portrait and landscape, so you can pick whichever suits you and your needs. You can find that you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have Spotify, which enables you to log into your Spotify account if you have one and listen to your own playlists whilst on the go. You of course also have your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. Along with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay supported via a USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. And you also have a 360 view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easy adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which are ventilated as well, ideal for the hot summer months as well as the colder winter ones. This has been a presentation on a BYD Seal U 1.5 DMI 26.6 kWh Comfort that's now available to purchase from BYD Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.